Hi, welcome to the video 30 of our Adobe Premiere Pro classes. In this video, you are going to learn how to use the wrap stabilizer for your shaky video clips and make it very smooth. So follow along with me to avoid confusions. So let's get started. So after opening the Premiere Pro, this is how the interface looks like. Go to the effects panel and search for wrap stabilizer, not wave warp stabilizer. Simply drag and drop to your clip. First, I'll show you how this clip is looking like. There are some hand movements out there for this clip, so that's why it's doing like some shakes. Yeah, so I just copied the same clip here and applied the warp stabilizer. As you can see in the effects control panel, it is actually doing its job. It takes some time. So meanwhile, I'll show you some of the options that you need to take care. First thing is framing. Here you will get different options. See, I selected the stabilize, crop and auto scale. What it does is if anything is moving out of the frame, it punches in. I mean, it zooms into the clip so that you won't see that black borders in the video. When it comes to stabilize only, it only stabilizes and you will see the black borders. I'll show you how it actually looks like. So I apply this to this clip and make sure it is in stabilize only mode. We'll wait for that. Meanwhile, I'll show you in the advanced section one more option you need to enable, that is detailed analysis. If you enable this option, even though it takes some more time, but the output of the video comes with a great quality. As you can see here, since I used stabilized only, you can see the black borders. If I play the video, as you can see, these black borders, it is moving. So this clip is also ready. So I made it the option as stabilize, crop and auto scale, but I didn't enable the detailed analysis. If I play the clip, as you can see, the shakes are not at all there. But if you observe here, some blending type thing is happened, like warp is happened. Tweak these settings, guys, the smoothness, and even you can see the method as well. Just tweak these settings and check the video again. If in case it's not working, change it again. Why I'm not showing you here is because for each video these options are going to be differ. If in case any industry standard is there, I can share it with you. Why do I withhold the options? But make sure you enable this detailed analysis as well for any clip that you are doing. First, I'll do you stabilize, synthesize edges as well. I'll take this, I'll make it as position, scale and rotation and smooth motion. Perfect. We'll wait and see how the final output will looks like. So it is finished. If I play it, but still there are some borders, I need to increase the scale even more. If in case it is showing like this red color, that means it's not rendered perfectly and it is not able to play smoothly on your system. So yeah guys, that's pretty much about the warp stabilizer in Adobe Premiere Pro, how to use it, followed by do some more changes in the effects panel. And also if you want best results, After Effects is the best thing for this. And if in case you are unable to get the After Effects, just use the internal applications in your Android mobile phone. Google Photos works the best. You can try it out by going to the Google Photos. Just upload your video to the Google Photos and in the settings panel you can find this option stabilize and you can use that as well. Yeah, that's pretty much about it, and this completes our lesson 30 of this class. In the next sessions, we are completely dealing with the graphic and titles, where I'll show you how to add logos and watermarks to the videos, followed by how to crop it, how to mask the footage, and even how you can make some split screen videos, picture in picture mode effect videos like that. So see you again in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe for instant updates.